These machines have been popping around here at Legoland. I thought, you know what, I'm going to film one. We're going to put the cash in. Touch to start. Okay. So, must be that. Well, we're not going to put more than 500, so I'm not too worried. Okay. I think we just put it in, so let's put it in. Okay, I'm done. Finish and issue card. See, Legoland's cashless now. They only accept plastic.
Take your card. Take your card.
Let me see. And here it is. No code or nothing on it, so I don't mind showing you guys. Isn't that cool? Receipts. And then here's the, I'm not going to show the receipt because it has some card code on it, but okay, that's it. Interesting.